Dab, dab, dab until your skin is fab. Oh my god, I'm so cool. Wow, what was that? Just say it. Routine pretty much. Oh my god, shut up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jharna and hi. Oh my god, I am finally posting. I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I have been doing my foundation. This is very particular to me. I am very bad at applying foundation, but for the past 2 or 3 years, I started like learning makeup and doing makeup. I feel like I've picked up certain techniques that I like, and now I'm at a point where I really like how I do my foundation and how it makes my skin looks. I also get so many comments from you guys telling me that how do I get my foundation looking flawless even though like I apply so many layers of foundation, concealer, contour, powder. It's like really cakey sometimes. I got it now. So today I'm going to be showing you guys just that, how I have been doing my foundation so far. And I don't know why I rant so much. I talk so much. This whole video could have been done in 3 minutes, but I'm sure I'm going to drag it for 10 minutes. Not because I'm getting money, because I'm not monetized yet, but literally because I can't stop ranting. It's a problem. So I'm going to be starting off with concealer first. Actually, the thing with me these days is I prefer using concealer rather than foundation more. Like more concealer than a lot of foundation, you know. I feel like it just makes your skin look healthier rather than like applying foundation on your whole face. These two have been my favorite concealers lately. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and also the Makeover Power Stay Total Cover Liquid Concealer. Today, I think I'm going to be using the Makeover one just because it's new and I really want to try it out. And I'm just going to be applying it on my face in like this V shape. I'm also going to be applying it in the dark spots under my lips. Like here. And a little bit on my forehead. Across my nose. I know this looks like I am using a lot of concealer, but here's the catch. I'm not going to be using any foundation on my face except a little something in the end. I'm going to let you know. Just hold on. I'm also going to be using this to cover up any like pimple spots and you know, things that you want to cover up. Just there we go. So that's the amount of concealer I'm gonna wear. Once again, I know it looks like there's a lot of concealer right now, but it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Next, I'm gonna use a sponge. This is a blending sponge from Matte for Makeup, and what's really cool about this is there's a slice right here, so it's gonna be really nice when I'm gonna be blending my concealer, and it's just gonna get in there. So as you can see, it's really covering up my dark circles. You saw my dark circles just now. They are really dark, but concealer covers it up. I'm gonna go around my eyes as well. This is gonna be really helpful for when I'm gonna use my eyeshadow later on. It's pretty much a primer already. I'm gonna blend everything. Dab, dab, dab until your skin is fab. Oh my god, I'm so cool. Honestly, this outfit that I'm wearing is giving me 80s vibe and also Buttercup from Powerpuff Girls. I don't know why. Maybe it's the green? I don't know. I used to not like Buttercup as a child growing up because, you know, she was like really rude, but slowly I feel like I'm turning into her. Wow, what was that? I do realize that my face is more like 2 shades lighter than my neck right now. I want to try to not use foundation on the neck because I feel like it transfers really easily. So the trick that I'm going to do now to contour as well as bronze at the same time is Ta-da! I'm gonna be using a darker shade of foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 330. So my shade is usually 128 if I'm not wrong, and this is 330. So it's quite a difference, but it's gonna be great for when I wanna apply my contour. I just found out about this trick. I wanna say around a week ago I started doing this trick. Some of this foundation into a brush like that, and now I'm just gonna carve out my face. To blend it, I'm just gonna use a fluffy foundation brush. So honestly, I got the idea to do this because of Huda Beauty's new launch. And I really wanted to try out the tan tour, but there's no Huda Beauty in Indonesia Sephora's. So I had to make do with what I had. And this is what I came up with because it is sort of like a foundation. I know it's not exactly the same, but I feel like it works the same way. You know, it blends flawlessly because it is foundation. And it bronzes at the same time, and I don't know, I feel like it works quite well. Just saying. Blend, blend, blend. Again, don't forget your neck. You want to make sure that it's blended to your neck, and also your ears. I want to make my ears look tan for some reason. My purpose here is to make my skin look as if it's a freaking mannequin, you know, but with contours. Just saying. I feel like my skin looks more real right now, you know, like it looks like BS. It looks like MLBS, you know, my skin, but wait, MSBB. I'm so smart. I feel like now my skin looked MSBB, you know, my skin but better. And it's so funny. Someone be my friend, please, please, please. I don't feel like I really need to set this because it is a matte foundation, but I probably will in the end, just under the eyes. But before that, I'm gonna be carving out my jawline a little more by using more concealer and putting it under our contour. Same with our nose, just a little bit, like small dots across the bridge of the nose and right here. Covering my dark circles a second time because I do have really bad dark circles. And a little bit on the chin. My skin is well blended enough now, and I'm gonna be applying some blush. Now, I do not have a cream blush yet, so I have been using this NYX Professional Eye Gloss. It smells really bad, honestly. Like, it smells like actual blood. I don't know what ingredient that they put in here, but it's really pretty. So, you know, it's fine. I feel like no pain, no gain, and I don't mind putting blood on my face if it makes me look pretty, you know. So I'm gonna be using the Bad Blood Eye Gloss by NYX Cosmetics. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty much a red dye pigment, and it looks like blood. The name is right, you know, like I can't argue with the name. I don't know if it's bad blood. I guess it does smell bad, so I feel like that's what they're referring to as bad. But it is a really beautiful color, and I use it pretty much every single day, so I don't know why I'm complaining, because I like it. So I'm just gonna use this and the foundation brush right here and just dabble on some of this product. Then I'm just gonna apply it on my face like that, across my nose as well. Okay.
And
Now I'm just gonna blend it all in with the Beauty Blender. I personally feel like it makes my skin look as if I just ran and now I'm like blushing because I'm tired. I know it might look like I'm sunburned, but once like the whole full makeup is applied, it looks really pretty according to me. But you do. Since I don't want my eyes to crease, I am going to be setting it with some powder foundation. This is from MAC Cosmetics. I'm going to use a fluffy brush right here. I want to apply some on the nose as well. I feel like my skin looks so flawless and healthy right now already. And we didn't really use a lot of makeup according to me. Usually like people use heavier makeup than this. I feel like this is quite light. For each their own. Then I'm going to use my sponge and pat the powder so it absorbs to the skin. Alright, now I'm gonna contour and bronze a little further. I know, it's so long, Jharna. Why are you using so many steps? Well, because I want to. There's not like, I feel like I can stop right here. If I added more, I'll like it better. So I'm using the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Powder Foundation in the color Warm Caramel. Use a nice fluffy brush. Smile like this. Right there. This L shape. Poof, poof, poof. You're good. Make sure to bring it to your hairline. So it looks blended and there's a gradation. Instead of just like scalp and then your face. It looks really weird. Like you can tell that this person is using a lot of foundation and maybe it's not even your shade, you know. I have done that a couple of times and people have dragged me because of that. So just make sure that you blend it to your scalp. Blending it towards the neck. Ta-da! There you go. Can you see it? Like it really makes your skin look really healthy right now. I feel like I've seen the sun. I'm not vitamin D deficient anymore suddenly. I have enough, you know, I'm healthy. I'm suddenly healthy. I want to add this as well. This is something that I've been really liking lately. This is the Pond's Glitter Glow Powder. There's a yellow side and purple side. I like to obviously use the yellow side more, since yellow is my undertone. So there's like, so you can open it like this. And you can choose which color you want to use. I'm just gonna tap it. Use my powder brush here and apply it on my highlight areas. This is not a highlighter, it's a powder, but I like to use it as a highlighter because it's really glittery. I drag it on my neck. Next, I'm gonna be contouring the nose because I want my nose to look snatched. That's all that a girl wants, a snatched nose, right? But I'm so funny. Honestly, if you're still watching this, I salute. For my nose contour, I'm gonna be using the Grayskin To Some Faker. Wow, how dare you call me a fake? Here we have this contour shade, and there's also like blush and highlight on top of here, as you can see. But I really like the contour. Why? Because it has a gray tint to it. So when it has a gray tint to it, pretty much it looks like a shadow, which is what you want. Like when you're contouring, pretty much you're giving a shadow effect to your face. So that's what I'm going for, and I'm just gonna contour my nose. This is an angled brush here, guys. So I like using the flat part to really get in there. So there is a shadow now. Look how snatched my nose looks right now. I'm gonna use the clean side of the brush and just blend this. Take some powder from the powder foundation, pick some up using the edge of your beauty blender. I'm gonna carve out my nose point. and it's pretty much kind of like baking your nose. Since the nose does get oily really easily, this is a very helpful tip. I'm gonna be carving out my nose a little more using the leftover powder foundation on my beauty blender. Just applying it on the sides. So you can see, I suddenly have a new nose. No nose job needed. I've been really liking this Clinique Moisture Surge face spray. So this is not a setting spray, essentially it's a hydrating spray. But since I am doing more of like a light foundation look, light, I use that term really lightly. I'm using this face spray so my skin looks more hydrated, and again, we want MSBB, my skin but better. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my face. And now I'm just gonna use my fan. While I'm fanning, I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and tap on my skin. That's just gonna get rid of the excess powder, and it's just gonna absorb all in the skin. You can see how that highlighting powder is doing. Can you see it? I love how this looks. So there you go, guys. That's how my skin looks right now. I feel like it doesn't look like I'm using foundation. You can tell that there is makeup on, but I don't think like, oh my gosh, she's wearing so much foundation. I feel like it's like, what's your skincare routine? You know, that type of vibe. So let me know what you guys think about how this look. What would you do differently? Like if you have any tips for me, let me know. Maybe I want to try it out. Like we all can learn something new. Oh my god, such healthy skin, right?
I am a healthy girl in a healthy world. Alright,
I'm gonna be continuing this makeup look now. I feel like it's gonna be really weird if I just stopped my video here as if I'm done with my makeup. I can stop here if I was like just going out for the day, you know? But since I want to do something more extra, since I have a cute outfit on right now, I'm gonna be completing this makeup look with some eye makeup and some lip makeup. I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this since it's easier for me to not talk while doing my eye makeup, because I feel like I need a lot of concentration while I'm doing my eyeliner and stuff like that. So here's voiceover me telling you what I'm doing. So this is the final look of how I do my foundation, and also a little bit of a neon winged moment right here with a pop of color on the lips. So I'm really happy with how the look turned out. Let me know what you guys think. I did add a little more blush here. I know it's very pink orange right now, but the reason is because I like this type of blush look. Of course, if you are using it for everyday, you can minimize. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you have watched it till the end, I really appreciate it. You're a true person. I love you. Thank you for watching till the end. And one last thing before I leave, don't forget to comment down below what else you'd like to watch from me. I hope to upload more on YouTube now, so give me ideas. What would you like from me? And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, loves.